Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is SANJIDA TABASSUM. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today my topic is about the name of some birds. There are many birds in our world, but today I'm talking about some birds that are most favorite to me. So let's get started. The first one is magpie. The second one is parrot. The third one is sparrow. The fourth one is eagle. The fifth one is woodpecker. The sixth one is owl. The seventh one is dove. The eighth one is peacock. The ninth one is tailor bird. The most favorite to me is the tailor bird. And the 10th and the last one is kingfisher. So that's all about my today's presentation. Thank you everyone for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.